Good afternoon. I am Patrick with Schlegel Insurance Services. I am a health and life insurance agent, and I help people with insurance. I help to get them the best plan for the best rate, which can be challenging, and that's what I wanted to talk about today. It's something that a lot of people are aware of, especially in the health insurance market, that the costs that are associated with health insurance can make the fact of having health insurance seem almost pointless because of the out-of-pocket that comes out, maximum out-of-pocket in the year, your deductible, your co-insurance, your co-pays. It's very common, even with health insurance, that before the insurance kicks in, that it's going to cost you thousands of dollars before that insurance takes effect. So, how do we handle this? What is the purpose of having a health insurance agent in this situation? What is possible for a lot of people and that they don't know is available are various what we would call ancillary products. Or secondary products. It's things you would couple with your primary health insurance to give you extra coverage or to help with the costs associated with health insurance. This would cover things like, this would be involving things like dental, vision, but it really, in the area we're talking about now, there are different enhancers to a policy that if the particular type of loss occurs, the particular condition or accident, that these plans can help pay for the deductible, the co-insurance, and the co-pays to pay off those high amounts. Because most people don't have thousands of dollars sitting around to pay off the deductible and the other costs associated with the maximum out of pocket on the insurance. So a lot of people struggle to see the value in having insurance in the first place. So I want to talk about two of these. First of all, there's critical illness insurance. So let's say you have a regular office visit on your insurance. You go and have an office visit. It's not anything that's like a critical illness. It's just you're going to see the doctor. You're going to pay your deductible, your other costs associated with your policy first before the policy kicks in. Now, some preventative services, depending on the insurance company, will pay ahead of the deductible. So you won't have to meet your deductible before you can get coverage through your policy. That may be something available to you. But a lot of things that happen in health insurance cost far more than what people have. These two ancillary products or supplemental products that you can get are critical illness and accident benefits. So if you have a regular insurance policy, standalone policy, and you add to that critical illness, what you're going to have is the first part of your insurance, the primary insurance will kick in, but if you have a heart attack, a stroke, cancer that falls under critical illness, that plan's going to kick in along with your regular health insurance. And what it does most of the time is it kicks in to help your primary health insurance pay off its cost to you. When somebody gets cancer, they don't want to pay thousands of dollars. They don't have to think about cost at all. But oftentimes they do. if you have something like a critical illness policy, it's going to take down that cost for you and save you having to think about not only having cancer or heart attack or stroke, but having no need to think about the finances or less need to consider your finances in this situation. Another option is very similar, is just accident insurance. Accident insurance is going to be obviously what it sounds like, accidental injury. If you have that accidental injury take place and not just a regular visit of some kind to a specialist to check on things or whatever it might be, you're going to have an augment to your insurance to pay off its cost if it's the proper type of loss. If it's an accident, that's going to be very beneficial to you. Because again, who has an accidental injury that could be very severe and have to deal with high costs in your health insurance? One other thing I would say you can add to your policy that can make a big difference is a fixed indemnity policy, which is where the insurance company will pay a set amount along with your regular insurance. So you have your regular insurance with all its costs involved, and then you have this fixed indemnity, which is a flat payout that they will pay to cover those other expenses. So all these are ways that you can bring down your deductible and your max out-of-pockets. So again, this is one of the reasons why health insurance agents exist, is to be able to put your plan together in a way that's going to be beneficial to you, that the health insurance will be even a benefit if it's needed. So if you are interested in anything like a health insurance quote or a life insurance quote, whatever it might be, we would be happy to speak with you. You can text or call 724-885-2440, and we'd be happy to be of assistance to you. We're here to help people, not companies, and here to be of benefit to others. Be a servant. That's my goal. You can text or call that number or go to info@slagelinsurance.com for an email to me. I would receive that as well. You have a good day. I hope you all have a good day, and we're here to help. You have a good day.